Hello.
Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Saturday night.
Happy Saturday night. We're so happy that you're here. Oh my gosh, we got another great episode of Dustin Michelle for you. I'm Michelle.
Yeah. No, I'm Michelle.
Oh
This
yeah.
is Dustin. He's like keeping me on my toes.
I thought I'd throw that in there. Anyways, we're so happy that you're here. It's nearly Christmas time.
No, it's only December 2nd, please. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, but I mean, you're probably making plans for the holidays to travel already.
Yeah.
And if you are, you need to know how to throw your store on vacation mode because
this is true.
Yeah, I mean, you want your customers to know that they're still going to get their products, but if they buy it and then a week later they're like, "Where is it?"
Yeah. You know? So we thought it would be really nice to kind of go back a little bit, do a little bit more of elementary, because there are a lot of people who are watching this because they don't know how to do it. We're going to make it as quick and as simple as we can. A couple platforms are very similar, and then the one at the end has a little bit more details, which Dustin's going to fill you in on that. So
yeah,
let's get into it. I really can't get past the fact that we need to go on vacation
very soon, I'm sure. Yeah, let's just make it happen, right?
We're gonna have to put it on the calendar.
Yeah,
this has inspired me. Now that I know how to put my Poshmark on vacation mode.
Exactly. Now we know, so now we can go.
All right, so what have you got for us today? What have we got?
Yeah, sure. So first of all, we're gonna look at the three main platforms that we usually sell on, which is Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. And we'll start off with Poshmark because it has the least amount of rules when it comes to doing this here.
I am, the Poshmarkian person of us, the Poshmarker. So I'll go ahead and start and give you guys a little bit of info on how to put your Poshmark closet on vacation mode. Okay, so you're going to go in and you're going to go to your account tab. Once you see your account tab, then you're going to go and you're going to scroll down to
My Seller Tools.
Seller Tools. Click on Seller Tools, and then it will say vacation hold, right?
Yep. And all you got to do is enter a begin and an end date and select save.
And that's it.
That's it.
It's super, super easy.
Right? Oh
yes.
My gosh.
With Poshmark, the one thing that we were just discussing this before we started is that Poshmark, people can see your stuff.
Yes.
They can like and share, but they just can't purchase from you.
Right. Yep. And I just highlighted basically that little tidbit there that they can still be viewed, liked, commented on, and shared. So, I mean, that's good to know. They just can't buy it.
Yeah. Which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Especially if you want to take a weekend off too,
Yeah, absolutely. And okay, so this is actually really important to know because if you're like us and you're like sort of workaholics, no, you are workaholics.
We are workaholics.
Like us. Okay, you're on vacation and you're probably going to want to do some work. Okay.
Probably.
So that's us. So
but we love it.
I know, right?
We love it.
We work. We love it. So be careful. Because the new listings that you create while your closet is set to vacation mode will be set to available. And you're going to need to manually go in.
Right.
And set it to not for sale through the edit listing page.
So when you're sitting there by the pool, sipping on your pina colada, putting your listings in, make sure that you put them on vacation mode.
Yes. Make sure you set them to not for sale. Otherwise, somebody can buy them and have to wait a week. And you don't know. So. Yeah. So, I mean, that's one good thing to know about Poshmark. Now, if we go ahead and look at Mercari, we're going to see that it's fairly similar. It really is the same exact way to set it up. You go to your account settings, you select vacation, switch it to on, you select the start and end date.
Start and end date, yeah.
Yeah. And just save. Okay. So I'm sorry.
I was going to say the same thing. I think we're going to say the same thing.
Right? Yeah.
I was going to say, so once you put your Mercari store or closet on vacation mode, people can't see it, right?
Yes. It says right here that all of your active listings will automatically be hidden on your vacation start date. So nobody can even see it.
It's like it basically disappears.
Yes.
Okay.
And then all of these hidden listings will reappear the day after vacation end date.
Well, that kind of sucks, I think, because if you think about it, when you're by the pool having your pina colada, let's say you want to just surf around through a Poshmark, you can still make notes or put stuff in your basket and still like things, but you just can't what get
No,
yes. Other people can't. So people can buy when your Poshmark, I'm just clarifying this, buy when your Poshmark closet is on vacation, but with Mercari it completely disappears.
Yes, Poshmark, people can see your stuff. Mercari, your active listings are hidden.
So you can kind of sort of still sell on Poshmark. I'm sorry, that was my point. In a way you can, because they can still see your listings.
Yes. I mean, you can still wheel and deal, but you can't make the sale. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Basically.
I like that. I like that part of Poshmark.
Yeah, that makes it a little more convenient. Also though, but with Mercari, you can set your vacation for up to 30 days at a time. With Poshmark, there was no limit. So, I mean, if you really needed a lot of time, Poshmark gives you a little more leeway. But if you need more than 30 days, the dates can be adjusted later. So they'll let you do that in Mercari. If you want to end your vacation early, no problem. Switch it to off at any time. Just go in there and switch it. Let's see, activating, you're adding individual listings. Now, this is the same as Poshmark, where, if you make new listings while you're on vacation, they're going to show up as active. So you actually have to go in and deactivate those
right
while you're making those. Like we said, if you're workaholics like us and working on vacation, you need to keep that in mind.
Do we go on vacation?
Well, still,
we're planning on it after this video.
Yeah, we're gonna have to now. Right?
We have to.
Totally. But yeah, if you're a reseller who has time for all that, right?
No, right.
Yeah.
We love it.
For sure. Now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at
the big kahuna.
Yeah, eBay. Oh my gosh. There's just so much to say about eBay. I actually didn't know that there was a vacation mode until we really started seeing each other and traveling a lot, actually going on vacation.
Yeah, we did. Chicago.
Yeah, came and visited each other quite a few times before we were now living together and creating content every day, just as we love. So since we started traveling a bunch, I started using vacation mode, and let me tell you, I absolutely loved it because not only can you pause your store. Excuse me, I'm going to just get into where I can show you guys this here because it's pretty cool. So when we go to eBay and you go into the customer service, you're going to see the time away feature here where it tells you all about it. Well, we'll go into the time away settings here, but now what you can do is you can select allow item sales or pause items. Now pause items is just like Poshmark or Mercari, where they're just, you can't even see them.
They're like hidden.
Yeah. Well, no, actually on eBay, they're not hidden. If you pause them, it will just say the seller's away, I believe. Let's see here.
Okay.
So when you allow item sales or pause them, you can select the start or end date just like that and apply. It's really that simple. But they're saying when you're scheduling your time away, keep in mind, I think the most important thing here is if you allow the item sales, you can take your time away for up to 15 days. Now, allowing item sales for 15 days while you're on vacation is so awesome. I mean, wow, you're sitting there on vacation and you're still hearing cha-chings. Okay, that's
the best.
That's how it goes. You're sipping that pina colada on the beach and cha-ching, you're still making money.
Yeah.
All right, and the cool thing about that is that your buyer is aware. They say right up at the top of the screen there that you're on vacation mode and you're not going to be able to ship the item until you get back. And you set that date. It is just a huge feature, but be careful, okay? Because say you're away for a week and a half and you got 60 sales like we did
Yeah, we did.
I know. I got back to Minnesota and I had 64 items to ship.
I felt so bad for him.
Well, not really. I mean,
I'm happy, but holy crap, it's a lot of work.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it was so much fun though. You probably saw the reel. I did the whole thing in fast motion and put the reel out.
I'm glad you find joy in shipping. Okay, because I'm like,
yeah, I mean, it's making money. It's part of the process, of course.
It is. He's good about that.
Makes sense.
Yeah, no problem.
But you really do need to be careful though, because if you have 60 items to ship, that means you need 60 items worth of cash in your eBay account to cover those shipping costs. So when you get back from your vacation, you have 60 items to ship and you didn't get any sales the last 2 days and you get daily payouts or something like that. That's another thing. If you do daily payouts, be very careful because you may not have that cash, at least in your eBay account. Of course, you got it, sitting in your business account or whatever to cover that, of course, but you still want to keep that in mind. You're going to have a huge shipping cost day once you get back if you allow sales, especially for up to 15 days.
Do you know what happened to me with eBay? I'll tell you what happened with me.
Oh boy.
So no, it's okay. We're seasoned between the two of us, but I look up to you. Oh. So I went ahead and I put my eBay closet on hold or on vacation. I'm sorry, because you and I decided, whatever. We were working on combining closets and I couldn't deal with it. And you have to remember when you end your 1 month date because it automatically turns it back on again for you. Yes. So I didn't realize that because that's not how Poshmark is. And I'm still learning about eBay, although I'm okay with Poshmark. But OMG, do not forget when you put it on hold, because I got a message that I sold something.
Yeah, like, oh boy, I thought.
Yeah, and I was like, oh my gosh, thank goodness. Oh wow.
Yeah. Set your alarms, be responsible and make sure, you're getting the right. Make sure. Yeah.
Responsible.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I love you.
I love you too.
He is more responsible than I am.
Okay, it's difficult. Like when you're doing Craigslist listings.
Oh no.
See, like you have to renew those every 45 days. So I'll actually set an alarm or a calendar date or whatever. 44 days, renew Craigslist listings or something like that. Yeah. So yeah, I mean it's tough to keep on top of that stuff. And in our special instance, it was like a sort of, we ended up, just ending all the listings so we didn't have to worry about that anymore.
Yeah.
So yeah, that kind of thing. So.
I was a little surprised that I had sold something, but thank goodness it worked out.
Yeah, it was. So yeah, we shipped the item out and then ended all the listings, so we didn't have to worry about that anymore.
Adios.
Yeah, but if you're just planning on, going on vacation and your eBay store is like your main thing, and you really, pay attention to it every day, it's not going to really be that issue.
No.
Yeah. Our special circumstance was that. So.
But we thought it was really important that you guys know exactly how to get where you need to get when you have to put your business on hold. It's a big deal, and like you were saying, there are many different circumstances where we might have to just suddenly put stuff on vacation. And if you're like me, I get a little nervous sometimes around computers and new things. But now that I know how easy it is, I feel so much more comfortable doing it. So we knew that this was going to be a video that was going to help a lot of people. And so, we're so happy that you guys took the time to take a peek at it with us, right? Yeah,
absolutely, guys. Thank you so much. Hey, have fun on vacation when you go out
there. Send us a postcard, please.
Right. Let us know how you're doing and how many listings you're making on vacation. And if you accidentally, sold one or two because you forgot to put them
on vacation too. We hope you guys have a great week.
Yeah, guys.
We can't wait to join you guys on Tuesday night to watch our video, which we're super excited about.
Yeah, guys, we got a new video coming out every Tuesday night. We're going to try to work some more into the Flip and Ship schedule, get some new videos out there for you every week, and because we just love doing this.
We love it. And if you guys enjoy this content and you like hanging out with us, please like and subscribe and tell us how much you like it. We always love hearing those kind of messages from you. And again, we are so appreciative of you spending time with us this Saturday night. And we hope you have an awesome weekend.
You guys, take care. See you next time.